Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2009 English Language Objective Past Question 31 under Section 4. Now the instruction is, from the word lettered A to D below each of the following sentences, choose the word or group of words that is nearest in meaning to the underlined words as it is used in the sentence. Now the sentence is, Amina is fond of making derogatory remarks about her brother, and derogatory is the underlined word. Option A, inconsiderate. B, discreet. C, unnecessary. D, belittling. So first of all, we'll look at the meaning of the word derogatory and also look at the meaning of each of the following options. So derogatory means tending to lessen in value, tending to lessen in value. Now inconsiderate, which is option A, means not thoughtful, Option C, discreet, means respectful of privacy, Option C means unnecessary, or is unnecessary, which means not needed. So option D, belittling, means to lessen in importance. Now we said the meaning of the word is tending to lessen in value, and option D, belittling, is to lessen in importance. Therefore the correct answer is option D, which is belittling. So belittling is nearest in meaning to the word derogatory. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.